Hello, this is Chef Craig Weber here, and today we're making Mickey Waffles.
And we're also making
bacon and sausage links.
And these are the brands that we like to use.
Yeah.
If you've never had this bacon, you should try it. It's a little more expensive, but it's definitely worth it.
Right.
And we like the Vermont maple syrup sausage links. We bought this Mickey Waffle Maker.
Yeah, Mickey Waffle Maker.
After we stayed at a hotel where they had Mickey Waffles and loved them so much. And if you make them with this mix that you can get off of Amazon, they taste just like Mickey Waffles you would get at Disney World.
Yep.
Very delicious. So first thing we have to do, Craig, what do we have to do first?
Put the bacon and the sausage in the stove.
That's right. We put those in the oven. Can you do it, or do you need my help?
Too hot.
Okay. We will cook our bacon and our sausage in the oven at 425 degrees. I check on it every 15 minutes. It makes very crispy bacon.
Yeah,
and
crispy.
Easy cleanup.
Yep.
While the bacon and sausage are cooking, we will mix up the waffle mix, right, Craig?
Yep. 2 cups of waffle mix.
Okay.
2 tablespoons of melted butter.
And then 1.5 cups of milk.
1.5 cups of milk.
Okay. And then break each egg into a bowl.
Yup, it's a double.
And wouldn't you know, both of our eggs have double yolks again. I think this whole carton of eggs we got from Walmart have double yolks.
They're all double yolks.
Yeah, that's 5 so far. No, yes.
Then we'll mix it up.
That's what it looks like. And we just have to wait till our bacon and sausage are done. And then we'll make them in the waffle maker. That part doesn't take very long. Good job, Craig. I watched back the video and realized Craig had only put in 1 cup of waffle mix, which was my fault. So we added another cup and he's stirring it up. Looking good now.
Looks like it's finished.
Bacon is frying in the oven. Can you hear it?
Yep.
Right, time to make the waffles, Craig.
Okie dokie.
Okay, you squirt it in and fill up Mickey. Okay.
Oh me, oh my.
She's sad because she wanted her Livy's Peppa Pig shoes. All right, and then we close it up and let it cook. Here they are in all their glory, right, Craig?
Yup.
Ready to make your plate? You can have 3.
What?
You can have 3 of them. Okay, and then what do you want on your waffles?
Peanut butter and chocolate chips, please.
Okay. All right.
Oh boy.
Here it is. Oh, all in one bite? Mm-hmm. Is it good?
Mm-hmm.
How many thumbs up?